Well, today we're replacing this air conditioner hose assembly on this 2012 Ford Fusion. You might wonder why we're doing this in the cold weather when it's only going to get more cold until spring. Well, it's because your air conditioner is a very important part of your defroster. Your air conditioner runs intermittently on the defrost cycle to cool the evaporator so that it condenses water out of the air. It dries the air out so that your defroster keeps that windshield dry and clear. Looking down into the engine compartment, there's a lot of greasy, grimy dirt right around where the hose assembly connects to the compressor, and that's because the air conditioner oil was leaking out and that attracted the dirt. So we'll clean that off so we don't get any dirt in the ports on the compressor when we change the hose assembly. I have my high side and my low side hoses hooked up. Open the valve and see what kind of pressure we have in the low side. About 25 psi will recover the little remaining refrigerant that's in there. Well, that went to zero in a hurry. I wonder if there's a problem with this valve here not opening or something. Yeah, it just starts to open and then it stops. So the high side shows we still have a little bit of pressure in there. So let's just recover a little bit from the high side here. Problem is we might get some oil out. Alright, it didn't take very long at all to get to zero. On the gauges. There was nothing but a little bit of refrigerant gas left in there, not enough to be any liquid. So we'll go down to 10 inches of mercury vacuum and we'll start taking it apart. 14 inches mercury. Shut this all off. Purge. Empty anything out of the recovery unit. Close that. Power off. One hose disconnected. Okay, let's disconnect the high pressure line that goes from the compressor to the condenser. Next we just need to disconnect it from the compressor. Looking down here at the compressor, these hoses are a little bit in the way for this nut that's holding the hoses on. Shove that on there. Too much flex in my extension for the impact. That wasn't too bad. Okay, the mating surface on the compressor is all cleaned off. Alright, let's attach the high side output hose to the condenser. Alright, let's replace the sealing washer. Now the new hose didn't come with this clamp, so I'll see if I can reuse this clamp from the old one. If that will work, I think, maybe. Clamp that on there. This goes on there. Alright, this low side valve core was giving us trouble. Let's just replace it. Had to put some oil on this thing so that it would go in nicely. I'm talking air conditioning oil. Alright, that's in. And just for good measure, let's do the high side valve core also. We'll get a little bit of oil on the valve core. That's in. Let's connect our hoses. Let's vacuum out the system. Why did that not change? It's got a new core in there. Is my valve weird? Yeah. I got a problem with my valve here. Alright, time to swap this out. There we go. Now we're sucking vacuum. And now that's mostly vacuum. I'm going to open the high side also. I almost forgot something. We need to change out the dessicant. Okay, this looks like a T50 in here. Feels like a T50. There's that washer. Oh, it looks like a snap ring right there. Looks like it's gonna have to be pushed up to come out. I don't know. That's looks like the way they designed this, they don't want it to come out. Let's see if my snap ring pliers will do this. The snap ring pliers aren't so good. These are just too weak. All right, looks like we have to tap this up into there, and this might work. It's out. Now to get this plug out of here, we'll use a 5mm screw, it looks like. Yep, that's it. There we go. Alright, let's get this nasty old dessicant out of here. There it is. Yeah, that is kind of gross. All right, let's put the new one in there. That's supposed to go up higher than that. What's going on here? And we have a new plug, and we're gonna need to put some AC oil on these O-rings before we slide it in. All right, I got some lube on this. Now you make sure that you put the threaded end down. If you do it the other way, that's bad. So threaded end down. All right, I'm just gonna tap it in there like I did before. Why is a good pair of snap ring pliers so hard to find? I mean, seriously, what is up with that? I mean, come on. Really? Alright, needle nose pliers with the ends shaved down just a little bit. There we go. Now we need to put this little rubber gasket thing on there. It's not holding anything really, along with the cover. This doesn't have to be real tight. I mean, just like hand tight, basically. All right, let's zero this scale. Oh, no way, man. Oh, crap. I've been losing refrigerant. Dang it. Oh. That is no good. No bueno. Freezing the scale, too. Oh. Zero. Okay, we're ready to charge, so okay, we got to put in 0.64 kilograms. Let's turn off the low side of access, and we'll turn off our vacuum valves here, and we'll dump the refrigerant into the high side. Alright, we'll have to turn it on. We'll have to turn the car on to get the rest in. Alright, that's a full charge, 0.64 kilograms. Alright, I take the low side off first. I've already closed the valve. And then I shut off the AC, and then I take the high side off when its pressure goes down.